Hello friends, welcome to Testing Shala YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be focusing on how to get a knowledge on any domain, how to get a knowledge on or how to build a knowledge on any domain in that perspective. I'm going to give very important tips on how to build yourself a good domain expertise in any particular area. So before I provide more tips or more steps on how to become a good domain expertise. If you guys are not subscribed to Testing Shala YouTube channel till now, then please click on subscribe and bell icon so that all our future videos will be in your inbox. How to get the domain knowledge? Domain can be anything. Maybe it could be banking, or it could be gaming industry, or it could be technology industry, or it could be pharmacy industry, life science industry, any industry in that matter. The overall process would remain same. The first thing what you should do is, being a software engineer or a tester, you should do a lot of research, right? In the similar fashion, we have to do a lot of research on the internet, lot of readings on the books, articles, everything to get hold of the knowledge on a particular domain. That is the number one thing you should do when you are trying to get hold of the domain knowledge. Then the second question is, when you try to get as much as information possible, then you may have more questions on your brain, in your mind. Then you should get clarification of those topics from the domain expertise. Whoever close to you, work with them, get it clarified so that you have a better understanding on a given area. So that is the second step you should do. Then the third one is, you should always have a good mentor with you. So you try to identify within your own organization or outside the organization, within that industry, who are the expertise. Try to find out in the internet or all those areas or LinkedIn, get a mentorship from them. Then the fourth one is, as I said in the beginning, if I just read the books, I cannot learn swimming. In the similar fashion, without doing a hands-on, we cannot be a good expertise in any area. In the similar fashion, what you should do is, there are a lot of products may be available like trial version, trial products. Try to download those products which where you wanted to get expertise in a particular domain. Try to get as much information by learning with that product, or take some projects where that kind of application you can easily access, do some testings, do some work, or do some maintenance work in the beginning. When you are doing a maintenance work, then you will get a more knowledge about that domain. That is also an idea which you can adopt. Normally, if you are not well versed in any particular domain, then get into the maintenance first. When you are in the maintenance mode of the project, then you are able to get hold of the complete application logic, functionality, business logic, and the overall domain expertise, you will get it. Then you should have some maps also should be there. Like, let's say if you're talking about the banking we can easily visualize, which is very simple. We have deposits, we have loans, we have different types of banks. In the similar fashion, you should put a pictorial view in your mind, the overall functional perspective. Some maps, if you put it in a pictorial representation, then it is very easy for you to remember in a longer duration. Try to attend the seminars on the related domain area so that you can also go and talk to many people, understand what they're doing in that industry, what are the different perspectives they have. Everything you can get to know when you're trying to attend the seminars or any conferences. So it's always good to do a networking. Try to get as much as networking possible in the related domain space so that you can also reach out to many people when there is a help is required, and other people also can reach out you when they need any help there. With this, I am ending this video. I am hoping you guys got a clear understanding on how to gain a knowledge or how to build yourself as an expert in any particular domain. If you guys really like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video. If you guys are not subscribed to Testing Shala YouTube channel, please click on subscribe and bell icon so that all our future videos will be in your inbox as and when we publish our new videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.